Okay, I have here new batteries for my GoPro 9, 10 or 11. So that's batteries that fit those three cameras. You know, especially the 10 is sometimes very sensitive what kind of battery you put in there. So they need more like a high capacity battery to run, especially the 10 and 11. This kit comes with a user manual here. There is this English manual for how to use it. And it comes with a charger or without charger. You can order it both. You can order with the charger or you can order just the batteries. Now, let's take those batteries out first. This is like a carry case where you keep them or where you charge them, both. So here you see all three are fully charged up. On the back here, we see there is a USB-C charge port, or with the cable that comes with it here, it's a micro USB, goes in here, and then you can charge with USB chargers, regular USB chargers. One thing I have to say on here, if you charge all three batteries, if you have all three batteries in here, this charger will charge them all at the same time. So there's some out there that charge battery by battery, but this one charges everything at the same time until they are all full. Okay, and there is three batteries in here. Let me take them all out. So the good thing about the charger is you can keep them in your backpack, and you can keep your batteries in here to transport them, and you just put them back if you need to charge them. Let me show you the bottom of it, how that looks like. Travel charger, GoPro Hero 9, 10, 11. 2 amp USB-C you can insert to run this thing. I'm going to go a good close up. Here it says open on here. See, open. Open it up. And then you have in here those three charge ports. You have some foam here that it doesn't rattle around. And then you have this display here. Okay, let me connect it again so that you can see how this looks like when you plug in. When you plug in, you get those blue lights that you have power. And then you insert any battery you have. I have like an Enduro here, for example. Insert it there, and then this individual battery is going to be charged. You can see the charge status, how full it is. And as I said, you can do three at a time. Here I have another one here. There, then you will see how this one charges too. So this is how the charger works. Now, you can order the battery kit with the charger. Or you order just the batteries. That is also possible. Let me plug this one here. You can just order those batteries. Kit of 3. And that's how they look like. As you can see on the picture on here, they are for GoPro 9, 10 and 11. This is how they are on the back. So they're all the same here, the ones I have. So there's some technical data on there. It's 1800 milliamp hours. And let's try them in those cameras. Because as we know, sometimes those cameras are very tricky in regards to third-party batteries, and they send you an error message when the battery is not good enough. So we're turning this on. And we're going to try this immediately. So we have a 4K 60 video here. I click on record and this thing starts recording. It doesn't show an error message. We have 100% battery on here. So I'm going to put this here in the upper corner that you can see that it's working. Then we have the 10 here. Let's plug one in there. Fits in easy. There. 5.3K 60, so that's a lot of power it uses. 100% battery here. Run this one. Let's put this here. And then here is the 11. Also works in there. Hero 11. Turn it on. 5.3K 60. And run it. You see, works here. No error message. So All three are recognized by the GoPro as GoPro batteries, and they run in all three 9, 10, and 11. And I put the link below where I found them on Amazon. Either, as I said, the kit, where you have the charger with it, or just those three batteries. Now, important for you to know is they are 1800 milliamp batteries. They're a little bit more than the original ones. They are completely decoded, as they say, so they are compatible with the GoPro 11, 10, and 9. They come as a pack of 3. And so you never run out of battery because you have so many battery available. You know that those cameras eat a lot of battery, especially the 10 and 11. When you use those high resolutions, the 5.3K, that needs battery. And there you have them with you in your backpack. I think it's a really nice kit. And yeah, thanks for watching. I see you in the next video.